Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I am going to talk on Williston Force portable AC reviews. This video will help you know whether this product is legit or scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, watch this unbiased review of mine and this video will help you decide the answer to your question, should I buy the product or not. If you have experienced any fraud with the product, watch this video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that, let's find out some essential details about the product. Here you can see it is a tiny portable air cooler that blasts freezing air for hours on a single charge. It's a new invention that will keep you comfy throughout the summers. Here is the picture of the product. As you can see here, it's a small in size portable AC which comes with a 50% off discount offer if you buy the product from the official website. Moving further guys, you can see here the check availability option, which states that as the product is in high demand, you need to look for the check availability option and find out whether you can avail for the very same discount or not. Guys, in this video I will talk about all the legitimacy checkpoints of the product because I've done a thorough research on it along with the benefits, cons and specifications of the product. But before that, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further, here you can see this product has a water tank, a fan motor, water absorption curtain and air outlet, and all these parts are important for an air conditioner to work efficiently. Moves the hot air out and brings the cool air inside. You can also see that how people are getting relief from this product. It's a Williston Force portable AC which is a perfect solution for almost every situation you are facing. You can set up the product easily on your desktop while you work long hours in the office. Also, you can keep it on the countertop while you cook your dinner for the family. You can also place this product near your bed while you wind down with your favorite book. Moving further, you can set up this unit anywhere and in seconds, and the most important thing is you don't require any maintenance installation of the product, which means you can do things on your own and no extra charges will be required to pay. Moving further, here you can see that this portable AC takes minutes to set up and it can be taken anywhere as it comes with an option of portable. This it's an AC unit. It does not use the same harsh chemicals or nearly as much energy which traditional units do, so you save lot of energy bills. And this product can be used in 3 simple steps. The first step is you have to add water into the top of the removal tank. The second step states that you have to insert the water curtain and it lasts up to 8 months. The third and last step is that you turn it on to enjoy the cool air offered by the air conditioner. Moving further and talking about the social media availability, yes, you will find that there is social media presence of the product. And when I talk about the customer reviews, it is backed with several positive customer reviews. These prove that people trust this appliance so much that they care to leave a good review for them. So overall guys, I will say that this is a legit product and you can give this product a trial because it comes with a energy bill saving option along with the portability option which states you can keep it anywhere you want and you can take it with you. But if you are looking for some other options, you will find the similar kind of products on many other reliable websites as well. Now guys, if you are looking for the money back option, it's simple. All you have to do is visit the link which we have provided in our description box. View the link properly. Also, I request you all to give your reviews on this video. Guys, please comment your thoughts, like our video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.